Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook crayfish sashimi in Heartopia. First, you need to buy the recipe from NPC Massimo, and this recipe will unlock when your cooking hobby reaches level 8, so make sure you have level up first. And after that, just tap your stove like this, and then just choose the crayfish sashimi, this one. And for the ingredients, you will need a European lobster like this or the crayfish, which you can get from fishing, and you will also need lettuce like this, and you can grow that through gardening hobby. And if you don't know how to get the crayfish or blue lobster, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions below to watch the tutorial to get it. And then now just complete these ingredients, all ingredients, and since I run out of crayfish, I'm going to replace it with a universal ingredient instead. Like this. Like this. And then because I ran out of lettuce, so I will change it with the universal ingredient too, like this. And then just start cooking. And okay, like this. When you're done, you will see a cooking animations at the first time you make it like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you can make a crayfish sashimi in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.